Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm actually just testing out a new camera mount. It goes around my neck, so the camera's underneath my chin, and it kind of gives this weird POV view, almost like you're playing some kind of first-person shooter computer game. I'm probably not going to narrate this video because I was just testing out the camera really to see how the footage looked, but I've done it over the course of a few days, so this surfboard is now finished and I do have all the footage from all of the stages. It just happens to be entirely filmed in this POV kind of viewpoint. So if you find this video interesting, let me know in the comments, and I can maybe once a week kind of release each stage progressively until we get to the end of this video. It'll probably be 4 or 5 videos at about 10 minutes long, I guess. If it's not interesting, that's fine, but if it is, then let me know and maybe I can work towards doing that. There are 2 quick things I'd like to point out with this video. The first one is it's very hot in my work shed at the moment. It's getting to like from 28 to 34 degrees during the day. So I have been breaking up my resin into 2 separate pots. So this board, for instance, is 1 litre of resin, I believe. So each pot contained 500 mils, but it was just to give myself a little bit more working time with this poly resin. The second point I would like to make is more of a disclaimer, and it is that I only generally glass 1 to 2 boards a month. I've certainly had no official training from any kind of master glasser, so I am self-taught and I am still learning many new things. I certainly haven't glassed as many boards as I have repaired, so while I'm very comfortable giving repair advice to people, glassing advice, I can probably help the newbies out, but there are so many people who are exceptionally talented glassers, and like I say, I'm still learning myself. All of that said, I hope you get something out of this footage, and if you do and you'd like to see the following stages, let me know. If not, that's totally fine. I do have some more repair videos in the pipeline coming up very soon, so these aren't the only ones I filmed, but either way, let me know, and I hope you're all well. Thanks for watching. Chee-hoo!